Yes, class 11th. Now our next topic is relative motion. What do you mean by relative motion? Every object can be moving with respect to one object and at rest with respect to other object. Suppose we have an object and this pen is placed on this. If it is moving, then pen is moving with respect to me, but it is at rest with respect to this object. Means no change in position with respect to this object. This is called relative motion. We all are moving with the earth surface, but it is a big body, so we will consider us as rest with respect to earth, as we the position of us with respect to earth is not changed when we are at rest. Got it? Now suppose two objects are moving. We have two objects A and B. Both are moving with any velocity VA and VB. Here we are writing VA and VB with respect to earth. This is the velocity of A object with respect to earth. This is the velocity of B object with respect to earth. Now if both are moving, then and distance is suppose 10 meter between these two objects, and suppose this is moving by 5 meter per second and this is moving by 4 meter per second. What we have? The distance is 10. If it is not moving, then definitely after 2 seconds it will reach near to this object or it will collide with this object. But this is also moving, then what is the difference after 2 seconds? After 2 seconds, this object reach to this position, as A will be at this position, means 10 meter is covered and A will get here, and after 2 seconds at its velocity is 4 meter per second, it will reach at the 8 meter distance gap. Suppose here. Now B is here. What is the position difference between the A and B before the motion? There is the 10 meter. And now what we have? But now it is 8 meter. Means now in 2 seconds it will reach the 2 meter distance. It will cover 2 meter distance in 2 seconds. What is the relative velocity? Means distance position change with respect to unit time is 1 meter per second. The position change with respect to one object of second is 1 meter per second. 1 सेकेंड में केवल 1 मीटर का ही वो पोजीशन चेंज हो पा रहा है. तो 2 सेकेंड में कितना हुआ? 2 मीटर का पोजीशन चेंज हुआ. मीन्स both are moving. If one object is moving and second is at rest, then the object is moving with respect to earth as well as with respect to this object. If both are moving, the velocity will be different, as velocity with respect to earth will different as velocity with respect to this object. Got it? Now suppose we are moving in a bus and some trees are coming towards earth, towards us. As we know, tree is at rest, stationary है. But when bus is crossed the tree, then we will say कि पेड़ पीछे चला गया. Means we consider that observer always at rest. हमारी इमेजिनेशन कैसी होती है कि ऑब्जेक्ट हमेशा रेस्ट पर है. अगर हम किसी चीज को ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हैं तो हम ये मानते हैं कि बाकी सारी चीजें रेस्ट पर है. सॉरी, देन अगर हम ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हैं तो हम रेस्ट पर है और बाकी सारी चीजें मोशन में है. इफ द पोजीशन इज चेंज विद रिस्पेक्ट टू अस. इफ पोजीशन इज नॉट चेंज विद रिस्पेक्ट टू अस, देन वी विल से वी आर एट रेस्ट एंड द सेकंड ऑब्जेक्ट इज आल्सो एट रेस्ट. सपोज वी आर इन द ट्रेन and train is moving, then we consider that train is at rest as we are there is no change in position of us with respect to train, but the station, any tree and any other object, any other train is moving, then we will say that it is moving, it is going, कि ट्रेन जा रही है, स्टेशन चला गया है. हमारी सेंटेंस इसी तरह से होते हैं. इसका मतलब हम अपने आप को या ऑब्जर्वर हमेशा अपने आप को रेस्ट पर लेके चलता है. गॉट इट? नाउ व्हाट इज द चेंज? द B object is saying that A object is coming towards us, towards me with rate of 1 meter per second. If A object is observing, then it will say that B object is coming towards me with the rate of 1 meter per second. Got it? Rate will be same. This is called relative velocity. How can we find the relative velocity of any object? We can find the relative velocity of A with respect to B as VA minus VB. See here, 5 meter per second, 4 meter per second, then we have 1 meter per second. Means velocity of A with respect to B is 1 meter per second. Velocity of B with respect to A, it will be VB minus VA. What we have? VB is equal to 4 meter per second and this is 5 meter per second, means minus 1 meter per second. Got it? Means the object B moved towards the A with the rate of 1 meter per second. Who will say towards the A? This minus will say. Got it? Always we will consider one direction as positive and the opposite to this direction as negative. Suppose we are considering this direction as positive, then opposite to this is negative. Got it? Always consider any one direction as positive, then opposite to that is negative. Who will say that we have considered this direction as positive? This will say. Here I am writing with 4 and 5 with plus sign. It means we have considered these two velocities as positive and the result is minus 1 meter per second relative velocity. Then the velocity of B with respect to A will be in the opposite direction of positive direction. Here we have also considered velocity of A and velocity of B with the positive sign. Means we have considered this direction as positive direction and direction is velocity of A with respect to B we have plus 1 meter per second. It means A is moving towards the B. Relative velocity A with respect to B is 1 meter per second in this direction. As we have considered this direction as positive direction. Got it? This is all about the relative motion and we can derive the formula, this formula with the help of these direction consideration, but it is not significant for examination. Here the main point is you have to remember this concept and the direction. What you have to consider the positive and what you have will be considered as negative. First you choose the positive direction anyone, then opposite to this direction will be negative. Got it? Now we will derive the relative motion formula for relative velocity. Suppose any object A is moving with velocity VA with respect to Earth in this direction and with an object B is moving with respect to VB velocity with respect to Earth. Here the distance is position vector of this is XA0. Why we will I write here 0 at just observation start. That time we always taken t is equal to 0. So this is the position of A object at time t is equal to 0. Now the position of B object at time t is equal to 0 is xb0. Now after t time, what we have? Suppose A object comes to here and B here, A and B. Now the position will be, difference will be something and this position is x A at time t, position of A at time t, and this is the position of B at time t. What is the difference, position difference between these two time? X B 0 minus X A 0, and here X B T minus X A T. This is the position difference after the T time. This is the position difference after the when we start the observation. And what we have it moved the distance, means this distance is moved by the VA velocity, VA into T. This is the distance VA into T. And this is the position X A0. And this is the position, suppose X B0, and it is moved with this. What is the distance? This VBT. Distance is equal to velocity into time. This distance is covered by VB velocity in T time. This distance is covered by VA velocity in T time. So this distance will be VAT and this distance will be VBT. Now, as VAT is equal to VA0 plus VAT, first equation. Now the second equation will be VBT is equal to XB0 plus VBT. Got it? Now the change in position, difference in position is VBT minus XBT, change in position, XBT minus XAT. Find out the value of XBT minus XAT is equal to, put the value of XB0 plus VBT minus XA0 plus VAT. Now this is the change in position. We will take this term together, XBT minus XAT, XB0 minus XA0 plus VBT minus VAT. Take this term out. VBT minus VAT is equal to XBT minus XAT. This is the final position difference. This term we will take at the second side, XB0 minus XA0. What it have? It is the relative change in position. Here VB minus VA T is equal to this. This is the relative change in position. If VB minus VA is equal to relative change in position divided by T. Change in position with respect to time is called velocity. Here relative change in position with respect to time is called relative velocity. Means this is the relative velocity. Then we can write velocity V, relative velocity of B with respect to A is equal to VB minus VA. This is the formula. Here we can derive. Got it? It is all about the relative velocity.